Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in the universe? This question has captivated human minds for centuries. It's the driving force behind astrobiology, a multidisciplinary science that seeks to understand the origins, evolution, and distribution of life in the universe. Astrobiology is not just about finding little green men on distant planets, it also encompasses the study of life on Earth, its origins, how it has evolved, how it has survived in extreme environments, and how it might continue to evolve in the future. This knowledge helps scientists to identify what they need to look for when searching for life elsewhere. But why is this question, is there life beyond Earth, so significant? Well, the answer could fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the universe. If we are not alone, it would mean that life can arise under conditions other than those found on Earth. This could lead to a paradigm shift in our understanding of life itself. The possibility of life beyond Earth has also inspired countless works of science fiction, from books to movies, sparking our collective imagination. These stories often reflect our hopes and fears about what we might find out there in the cosmos. Yet, despite our best efforts and technological advancements, the question remains unanswered. We have not yet found definitive evidence of life beyond our planet. But that doesn't mean we've stopped looking. On the contrary, our search has become more focused and sophisticated than ever before. In our quest for answers, we've sent probes to the farthest reaches of our solar system and rovers to Mars. We've scanned distant stars for signs of life-sustaining planets and listened for signals from advanced civilizations. And with each mission, we learn more about the universe and our place within it. As we venture into the cosmos, each discovery brings us a step closer to answering this age-old question. Yet no matter what we find, the quest for understanding will continue. For it is in our nature to explore, to seek out the unknown, and to ask, are we alone? The journey to uncover the secrets of the universe began with the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, in 1957. This was a significant moment in history. For the first time, we had sent an object made by human hands into space, marking the first milestone in our journey to understand the cosmos. The following decade was a flurry of advancements and discoveries. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first person to orbit the Earth, igniting a frenzy of interest and competition in space exploration. This event, known as the space race, was a competition between nations, but it was also a collective effort for humanity's quest to reach beyond our planet. In 1962, Mariner 2 became the first successful mission to another planet when it flew by Venus. This voyage provided the first direct measurements of another planet's atmosphere and surface, expanding our understanding of the universe. But the crowning achievement came in 1969. The world held its breath as Neil Armstrong, commander of Apollo 11, descended the lunar module's ladder and took that first small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. With those famous words, the first manned mission to the moon marked a major milestone in human history. These missions were not just about exploration, they were catalysts for the growth of astrobiology, the study of potential life beyond Earth. The data collected provided valuable insights into the conditions on other planets and the possibility of life existing there. They sparked questions that we are still trying to answer today. And so, the dawn of space exploration was not just about reaching for the stars. It was about understanding our place in the universe. It was about asking, are we alone? It was about seeking answers to questions that have fascinated humans for centuries. These early explorations were only the beginning, paving the way for a new era of space exploration. And with each new discovery, we inch closer to answering the question of life beyond Earth. As we continue to reach for the stars, who knows what secrets the universe still has in store for us? Our neighboring planet, Mars, has long held our fascination and has become a focal point in the search for extraterrestrial life. The red planet is not as alien as you might think. In fact, it's remarkably Earth-like, with mountains, valleys, and even polar ice caps. This similarity has led to a multitude of missions aimed at uncovering the secrets Mars holds. From the Mariner missions in the 60s and 70s, which gave us our initial close-up images of Mars, to the Viking missions that first attempted to detect life, we've been steadily gathering knowledge about this enigmatic planet. Each mission, each rover that we've sent, has increased our understanding, painting a picture of Mars that's both fascinating and complex. We've discovered that Mars has a surprisingly diverse geology, with the largest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. We've detected an atmosphere, though it's much thinner than Earth's, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon, but perhaps most tantalizingly, we found evidence of water. Not just frozen water at the poles, but signs of liquid water in the past, and even the possibility of transient liquid water today. This presence of water is a game changer. Water is fundamental to life as we know it. Where there's water, there's the potential for life. And so, these discoveries have profound implications for astrobiology, the study of life in the universe. The Mars Science Laboratory, with its rover Curiosity, and the more recent Mars 2020 mission with the Perseverance rover, are both equipped with sophisticated instruments designed to search for signs of past or present life. They're looking for clues in the Martian soil, rocks and atmosphere that might hint at the existence of life, or at least the conditions that could have supported it. While we have yet to find definitive proof of life on Mars, the possibility continues to tantalize scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The search is far from over, and with every new mission, every new discovery, we edge closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Our quest for understanding doesn't stop at our solar system. With advancements in technology, we've begun to explore worlds far beyond our own. As we cast our gaze beyond the boundary of our solar system, we find a universe teeming with celestial bodies, many of which are planets orbiting stars just like our Sun. These are known as exoplanets, and their discovery has opened up entirely new horizons in the field of astrobiology. As of now, thousands of these exoplanets have been identified, and the number keeps on growing. Among these exoplanets, there's a special category that particularly piques our interest. These are the Goldilocks planets, so named because their conditions are just right. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right, for the existence of liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. These planets reside in the habitable zone of their respective stars, where conditions might be suitable for life. But locating a planet in the habitable zone is just the beginning. The next step involves determining whether these planets have the right atmospheric conditions. Do they possess a protective magnetic field? Is there evidence of geological activity? These are critical questions that scientists are striving to answer. Technology plays a crucial role in this cosmic quest. Space telescopes like Kepler and TESS have been instrumental in detecting these distant worlds. Upcoming missions like the James Webb Space Telescope promise to provide even more detailed insights into these exoplanets, potentially identifying signs of life. As we venture farther into the cosmos, we're also broadening our understanding of what constitutes a habitable world. Life on Earth thrives in an astonishing array of conditions, from scorching deserts to freezing polar regions, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks. This resilience of life prompts us to consider that perhaps life elsewhere might not necessarily follow the blueprint of life on Earth. As we uncover more about these distant worlds, the possibility of life beyond Earth seems ever more plausible. We might not have definitive answers yet, but each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast cosmic theatre. From the launch of Sputnik to the discovery of exoplanets, our understanding of the universe has grown exponentially. Space exploration has opened up a universe of possibilities, transforming our understanding of life and its potential to exist beyond our home planet. Astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, has truly come into its own in the last half-century. The dawn of space exploration has provided us with the tools and technology to delve deeper into this field. We've sent rovers to Mars, peering beneath its surface in search of signs of past or present life. The findings have been tantalizing, hinting at a Martian history that may have once been hospitable to life as we know it. But our search for life doesn't stop within our own solar system. As our technology advances, so too does our ability to look beyond, to the far reaches of the universe. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has been nothing short of revolutionary. These celestial bodies offer an entirely new avenue for the search for life. Some of these exoplanets exist in what scientists call the habitable zone, a region around a star where conditions might be just right for life to exist. However, it's important to note that our understanding of life is based on a single data point: Earth. Our definitions, our methods of searching, are all based on life as we know it. But the universe is a vast, diverse place. Who's to say that life, in some shape or form, couldn't exist under different conditions? As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what we might discover next? Our journey has only just begun, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question. Perhaps one day we will finally answer the question, are we alone in the universe?